Come, let us spill this already spilled juice and get into some entertainment news. Guysini, the Mommy Club has been renewed for the third season. Yes, the Mommy Club has been renewed for the third season, and Jabulani McDonald's reported on it, right? So this is a Showmax hit that we all love so much. However, what I like is that it is alleged to be said Uguti Unosipho is also coming back. Guys, I love Unosipho. Her story just touched my heart. How she loves those kids, how she takes care, how she took care of her kids. You know what? How she loves a big family. I just laugh, right? So Happy Simelani, Jabulani continues to say, Happy Simelani and Nosipho Ntshangase might possibly return for the third season of the Mommy Club. We also love Happy Simelani, and we are waiting in anticipation to see Uguti what will it bring to us or for us, and what new things are they coming with. But yeah, we just happy to have the Mommy Club back with a bang. Please do like, share, and subscribe.